Enjoy the video in the car. This will help to keep your kids quiet. Car headrest bag. 7 hours chargeable battery. Sync to big screen, like TV, projector. Support DVD and audio format up to 7 modes. Last memory function. See the movies from last time you stopped.
Wait, I can understand you?
Whoa, that's creepy. What if? It's like he can understand us. Don't be a dummy.
I can hear what you're saying.
Why will you choose our DB Power portable DVD player? Easy to use and big support. It is a good joy for you and your family. High capacity built-in rechargeable battery. 360 degrees angle view, suitable for car traveling. USB and SD card ports support multimedia. Larger screen for you to watch movies. Last memory function. The DVD will pick up from where you left last time. Perfect gift for old man, students, businessman, and kids. We provide 1-year warranty. If you have any question or problem during using the DVD player, please feel free to contact us via Amazon Message, contact seller,